Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. Firstly, let's find My Files app in Samsung Apps. And right here, you've got access to every folder your Samsung has. For example, you can check recently files, images, videos, audio files, documents, downloads, and installation files. Next, you can go to internal storage and browse every folder. Then, you can check internal storage for dual messenger, SD card, OneDrive, and Google Drive. Next, you can go to network storage. Then, you can enter recycle bin, and in the end, you can analyze storage. Then, you can clear recent files list, edit menu layout, and go to settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.